We don't have a lot going on today, but I want y'all to hang out with us in the shop and just, what does the new kids say? Just vibe out. Let's go. First thing first, what are you doing, Hector?
Not really doing a whole lot right now.
Hell yeah. What's going on with the bumper?
That we don't do. Just plastic's not wanting to go on. It's not lining up.
But we do have one car on the schedule, so I'm going to pass the mic off to William, and he's going to talk about what's going on with this Porsche.
You can't look at my belly. This is my wife's property. We're working on this 2012 Porsche 911. Nothing crazy. We have a little crease, I would say about 2 inches, but it's on the PPF. Otherwise, we'd be able to glue pull it because how shallow it is. We don't want to mess with the integrity of the PPF. He wants to keep it factory. Obviously, he cares about this car. There's 2 ways we're gonna go about doing this. The first way we're gonna try is on the inside of the Porsche, on this quarter panel on the inside. They have this plastic piece that covers where the speaker goes. Sometimes you can take that plastic piece off. There's a speaker behind it with 3 torx on it. You take that off and you can get all up on this quarter area right here. Hopefully that's the case because that saves us a lot of time. If that doesn't work and we don't have access through that way, we're gonna go ahead and jack it up, take the tire off, take the liner off, and sometimes there's access holes on the inside. Well, most of the time, especially on Porsche. Let's go in. This is the speaker housing that I'm talking about, and it comes off like this. I'll show you closer. But these little plastic clips that are on it, you can see where they're at. Get this tool behind it, push them back, and it just snaps off pretty easy. Not bad, comes off easy. Then we have 3 torx for this speaker. We're gonna take this out, and we should have access behind it. If we do not have access behind it, obviously, like I said, we'll show you the next part. I'm gonna be getting in and out of this dude's car. And I don't wanna get it dirty. I think it's a T20, we'll see. T20, I think. Whoa, let's see. Oh, I was right. So it's a T20 to take these 3 out. So we do have access through here. I'm gonna get a flashlight so we can get our cameraman in here so you can actually see what's in there. And we're gonna knock this thing out of the water. So we have full access to the quarter panel, and this is how we're gonna fix the dent. Let's get set up to actually fix it. Hey Levon, I'm gonna use your light if that's cool. I need that view, you know what I mean? So I'm switching lights. So that's my light, this is Levon's, but he has this Carbon Tech Black Widow. This thing gets all the way horizontal. This is a horizontal crease. With the Never Loose on the light I have, it's always gonna be an angle. You can't get it the way we need it, and I'll show you what that is in just a second. Boom, right there. So we get full horizontal this way, so we get a better reflection on the panel. I'm gonna start out with my moneymaker. The reason I like starting out with this one is because I've used it so much. I know what it's gonna feel like in there, and from there, I know what the next tool I wanna use is. So what if I don't fix it with this one? So I'm gonna try getting this one in there, see what it feels like, and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, I'm definitely all over it now. So I'm probably gonna use this tool for most of it and fix it. I just had to adjust. Cool, I gotta readjust. I got most of it out. I got some cleanup I gotta do when I was test pushing. I got most of it out, but I need to bend my tool because it's not getting exactly where I want it, or choose a different tool. I also gotta blend this real fast. So with PPF, obviously I don't want to hit it. PPF is usually self-healing, but you don't want to do too much damage with a knockdown. So the knockdown I'm deciding to use today, it has this rubber tip on it. This is going to keep me from marring the PPF and fixing it correctly. Sometimes I'm a single tap, sometimes I'm a double tap. You might even see me do a 3 tap. That's on crazy days. I don't only double tap. I double tap when I'm blending, I single tap when I'm knocking down. There's a difference.
Only time will tell.
Sweet. I'm gonna softly hit it with this one. Hopefully it doesn't make any marks. Sweet. Now I'm gonna bend my tool. Do I want to bend my tool or do I want to use a different tool? I might try this one. See if this one works. I'm not even a big guy, and it's hard to work in these Porsches, man. I feel sorry for y'all guys that are tall for jobs like this. That's not the tool. What you doing, Hector? All right. Cameraman can contest. It sucks getting in these back seats of this thing.
Yeah, it's good.
Correct? Yeah. I said, I'm just an average white guy. I'm back here.
No, you're not average.
Thank you. You're so nice.
You're a two-scoop.
Oh, a two scoop. I got a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of caramel. There you go. I believe I fixed it horizontally. Always change your position. So now I'm put the board vertically. Make sure I don't got any cross check. So I'm gonna check this. If not, I'm done. Took me, we'll see when I'm done. We'll tell you how long it took. Just working. I'm done, really. Cool. So it is done. So right now what I'm doing, whenever you look in a reflection, there's all kinds of lines. It's like using a line board, but from far away. So I'm just making sure that I don't got no dips and highs in these lines to make them look weird in that little bit of area. And that's how you can check your texture. Get the furthest thing away from you, there'll just be a line, and now you can roll through that damage to make sure that you got a really nice end result. And let's see if Hector can find out where I worked. Hector! Come tell me where I worked. And we're real critical of each other, so we really, here in the business, we call I in the panel.
All right, we gotta go to
Dynamic. Right now, car. I'll pick up a car. What kind of car?
Porsche Mach-E.
Yeah, I was like, what the is that?
Yeah.
Get that shit on camera.
So we picking up that car?
You should take him with you. You can work over there.
You wanna go on a little ride?
It sounds like you're talking to your 2-year-old.
You wanna go with it? Jump in the car. Let's go.
You wanna go with Dad?
I could load up, go over, fix the car, just come right back and be done. Or I drive, pick up the car, drive it back, work on the car, and then drive it back. And I feel like that's gonna kill like 2 hours of time rather than just going there and knock it out and then coming back.
Depending on the time, we can just go to Connor and pick that car up. So I think we do it multiple.
Yeah, but then camera guy too, I don't wanna just leave him hanging.
No, he can come with us.
Is there space?
Yeah.
I was trying to, joke towards the camera guy, and you're like, yeah. It shouldn't take much, honestly. Like, it's just a little dent on the quarter panel. I know sometimes when I do my thinking face, I go, and everyone's like, you good? I'm like, yeah, I'm good. I swear I'm fine. Ugh. Guess what? We wait for this guy to talk about what's I got in the box here. Yeah, what's in the box? So what happened here is we just went to Vegas to compete in the Dent Trials, and I left my mini lifter on top of a car. And these people were nice enough to mail it back to me. It feels a little heavier than with the mini lifter though. Oh, nice. There's little gifts in here. This is the mini lifter I left on top of the car. And it looks like some 3D printed knockdowns or something. And some 3D printed tips. All right. Give these suckers a shot. They almost look like, what are those, like a carrot for one, right? And then the other one is, I was thinking like the Cheeto Puffs. Oh. Yeah, like we got a Cheeto Puff here. Interesting. Can't wait to use them. All right. We're loading up to do a quick mobile job. We don't ever show mobile on camera, so this is going to be a first for us, and I'm excited. We like holding the mic in our hand. You want some Cheeto Puffs? You want a carrot?
What the?
You want a carrot?
The is this?
Carrot knockdown.
This is supposed to be a knockdown?
I think so, bro. They came soft crown knockdown trio.
Who's this from?
The people where I left my mini lifter at, Alliance Dent Repair.
Shout out Alliance Dent Repair. Thank you. Thank you, Alliance Dent Repair, for the carrot knockdowns. What's carrot? Vitamin D?
No, I don't
see.
K. Carrot knockdowns, or as I like to call them. That one looks. Damn, I keep f***ing Cheeto Puff.
Oh, a Cheeto Puff?
Cheeto Puff for the carrot. I just texted him. I said, thanks for the extra tools. Thank you so much. I want to express that we are just like any other shop. We have our slow times, we have our busy times. Right now, we're just going with the flow. As we had that one scheduled in, one of our schedules canceled. We're finishing up a car. With this sold a mobile job, someone just rolled up. So as we're working with it, we're working in real-time repairs, real-time shop. Maybe we'll get busy, maybe we won't. But let's go along for the ride.
The next step that I'm doing to complete this 911 is I just got to put it back together. It's put the speaker in with 3 torx. Remember they're 20s. Snap back in that piece. Take out my moving blanket. Put everything back, and we're done. This is how it looks. Phenomenal. No paint. No Bondo, all factory.
This is what we normally do. This door don't work, so we got a NASCAR this one.
Anytime I leave before a mobile job or something, I always have to give a wife a hug and a kiss, just in case something happens.
Take it with you. I try to get his ass. I know they're gonna say some freaky deaky shit in there. I'm just saying.
Oh, was that you, Drew, or was that the tools?
I think that was all your tools.
Just making sure. So what do you like to eat for food, Drew?
I remember a long time ago, I told Tyson if I got if they gave me a lifetime supply of chicken nuggets, I'll get Tyson tattooed on somewhere on my body. I'll make it visible too. I don't give a. If I could have any 2 dream companies sponsor me, it'd be Tyson and Busch Beer. That'd be the 2 right there. I would give anything to be sponsored by them.
Some aerosol back here?
I don't think so. If anything, it's the torch.
Something's leaking.
Yeah.
Probably the torch.
Let me.
It's gone.
Are we filling the car with
I'm
nap
gonna
gas right now?
Propane.
pull it over.
I think
Oh,
it's
yeah, I smell it.
Can you? They won't kill you, bro.
Emergency pit stop.
Oh, I can't smell it.
No, that's
Nah.
definitely the torch.
Honestly, that's the first time something like that's happened.
Yeah. I think